Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to apply for an HSBC overdraft. First, make sure you have an eligible HSBC current account. Most HSBC current accounts allow you to apply for an arranged overdraft, but some account types such as basic bank accounts are not eligible. You must also be at least 18 years old, and all applications are subject to a credit assessment. Now open the HSBC mobile banking app and sign into your account. Select the current account you want to apply for an overdraft on. Look for the overdraft or manage overdraft option and tap on it. Enter the overdraft amount you would like to apply for. Review the interest rates, charges, and terms shown on the screen. If you're happy with the details, follow the on-screen instructions and submit your application. SBC will review your request, and in many cases you may receive a decision straight away. If your application is approved, your arranged overdraft will be added to your account. If you prefer not to apply through the app, you can also apply by calling HSBC or by visiting your nearest HSBC branch, where a representative can help you with the application. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.